Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and page. I am Mama Triple and I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious okra soup in another style. It is a short video. Please make sure you watch from the start till the end and also help me to share. So I'm going to use beef, shaki, mackerel, smoked fish and dried fish for this recipe. I'm going to first cook my meat or boil it. I added onions, thyme, bouillon powder and some seasoning. So I'm going to stir and add a little amount of water. I'm going to stir and then cover to let cook. So guys, while that is cooking, I added my already smoked mackerel fish to eat and my dried fish. The reason why I did that because I want the fish to soak in the water. So I'm going to blend or grind my crayfish and my scotch bonnet pepper. As you can see, I've already grinded it, so I add it to the pot together with the fish. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook. This is my okra which I've already sliced. I'm going to cook it a little while in the pot, and then I added my palm oil, also known as red oil. So I'm going to stir carefully so that the fish will not break, and after letting it cook for some minutes, I had to remove it so that when adding the okra, the fish will not scatter. So this is my okra. As you can see, I'm going to remove it now because I have cooked it in the fire for like 1 minute. Okay, so now I'm going to add my okra. I'm going to stir carefully, and then as you can see guys, this soup is almost ready. You can cut your okra in any form or shape that you want. After adding my okra, I'm going to taste for salt, and guys, the salt was not okay, like it was not enough, so I added a little amount of seasoning. Now I'm going to stir and then add a little amount of water. I don't want it to be too thick. So in here is my smoked mackerel fish that I removed earlier and the dried fish. So I'm just going to add everything together and then let it cook for a little while. Remember, my okra is already cooked, so I'm just going to let it cook on the fire for like 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it guys. The soup is ready. That's how I prepare this delicious okra soup you are seeing here. I also love this method of okra soup that I use. So guys, if you really want to use this method, don't wait, give it a try and you will love it. Please don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple N. Help me to share the video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. I'm going to say bye for now and see you in my next video.